I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah.
Hey guys, I just got back from YVES ROCHER product launching event. So these are the things that I bought, and this is what I got, more like the gift that YVES ROCHER gave to every of the guests. So I will show you what I bought. I bought 2 of the evidence Come In Evidence perfume, and then this is the gift. I don't know what's inside of it, but let's do the unboxing together. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. These are the samples. Shower gel and sample packages. Ooh, nice. The Botanical Beauty Expert. Oh, and they also give a mini calendar, desk calendar. So that's it. And this is the package. So cute. So I hope you enjoy coming along with me to the event as well. So bye guys. See you. So guys, I just got back from work and I received both of my Blackpink Born Pink album and poster. I don't know which one to unpack it first. So eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay. I'm gonna unbox this album. Whoa. The texture, oh my god. Feels so unreal. Okay. Wait, where is the photo? Oh, here is the PC. Oh, they put it here. Ooh, I got it, Lisa and Rose. Oh, the photo book. Rose. Look at the poses, girl. Can you look good in this hair color? I'm surprised, but not that surprised because I already watched all the unboxing video from YouTube. But this is the overview of the photo book. Whoa, whoa. Guys, I got Lisa Polaroid again and Jenny. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not gonna put this down. I'm gonna keep it in my hand. Oh, and Jisoo, my favorite Onni, sticker, postcard, and mini poster. I'm very satisfied with the purchase. The CD that I never play, but I'll keep this. Yeah, Jisoo, Jenny, Rose, Lisa. We are celebrating at the office, and they're my friends. Oh, yes. Thank you. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! It's adorable and Lily is waiting inside the restaurant. Lily, I'm coming. What is going on? The lesson that I got from working at a company is that never interfere other people's problems. Whenever something happens, don't get involved. Just be yourself and try to relax more if anything serious happens. So that's the message that I want to give you guys. Okay? Out you go. Choo choo.
Breakdown there, otherwise they would have been in a really strong position on the edge of the box, but Endo and Morita also showing.
Well, they found their voice and found their rhythm, the Japanese supporters.
I thought I did a pretty good transition. Yes? No? I guess it's a no. I just got back from YVES last night. Wait. Oh shit, no. Sorry. Like I said, and a few seconds ago, I just got back from YVES last night. I'm about to go to work. I wish I could sleep in today, but I can't. I just need to do my job. Yeah. So let's go. I'm pretty shocked. It's my phone, okay? Okay, bye. See you at the work. I was just walking down to the stairs and Meryl was vlogging for me behind the camera, so I would just walk along and then my head just burned down all the decorations, so here it is.
Clumsy and clumsy took as usual, yeah.
I just sit here and act like nothing happened. I love you. Bye.
Caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the jewel.